if you want to track your heart rate during the workout on AirPods Pro 3, first of all, on your iPhone or iPad, you have to start by opening Fitness application and make sure that you are using the latest version of that application. So right now we'll have to go for the workout, and in the right upper corner we can find that information that AirPods Pro 3 are used as connected devices. And we have to input both AirPods in our ears. Now pick the training that you want to use. So let's say that I'm gonna get the indoor walk. Accept permissions. Wait for the countdown. And as you can see now, it starts measuring our heart rate. And by clicking here, we can use some options. We can swipe up and down to end workout, check in log controls. We can pause, we can resume, and here we can check our connected device. So as you can see, in this case, I'm actually measuring by using my AirPods Pro 3. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.